Okay, Badlands Rebuilds, we're out here. We're looking at this Ford. It's a 1965. It's an A code car, which I believe it's an A code, which has 225 horse factory 4-barrel 4-speed with a 289, as you can see. He's got a lot of work into this car. We're just gonna walk around, take a look at this car, and tell me what you think of this car. The front end is beautiful. The hood pins are this is just a nice car. Sitting out here in the snowbank. Brand new tires on it. He's got all the Mustang caps and everything on that. That's beautiful. Underneath here, everything's painted up. Brand new towers, shocks. I don't believe he's got the motor in it, but the motor is built. Mustang 2+2 pony. All the glasses in it, the louver. It's a 1965. I think they've had this car since the 80s. I think they've had this car almost 50 years. Just a beautiful, beautiful restoration. Inside, brand new BF Goodrich's on it. Oh, and here, it's got a little badge on it for who they did it for. They restored it. They love this car a lot. This car's been all over. Everything's really good, new on it. They're just about got her on the road ready, road worthy. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get back a little bit, get you a better look at it. I believe the motors has been fully rebuilt and restored. It's just a great car, you know. He's got a lot of time and effort in this car. He's had it forever. Loves this car. What's not to love about this car? This is a beautiful car. He said we could look in the interior of it. I think they got it all put together. All new tires on it. And let's look at the inside. Oh wow, look at that. He's getting her together. The dash still isn't complete. The headliner he just put in. It's got the back seat in there. Everything's nice and rhino lined or textured. Man, this is a beautiful car. Tack on the dash, new dash. It's getting close. He's got all the door cards new and everything. Look at this. Look at how nice that is. It's just beautiful. The trim is all beautiful. Door shuts really nice. Let's go look at the other side. It's a 65. Look at that. Door cards, everything's just, this is gonna be a nice car. What's a car like this worth? Make some comments when this car's all done. It's driving. Factory 4-speed. Just pretty. I'm pretty sure they've got it all painted up inside. We'll climb up here and look at the paint coat and the paint on this. It's sitting out in a little bit of snow, but look at that. Is that just pretty? I'm pretty much a Chevy guy. I have a lot of Chevys, but this is a beautiful car. It is a Ford, but what's a car like this worth? Is it worth having in your garage? Is it worth driving? What do you do with a car like this? You just look at the underneath of this car. Get the camera up under there. The tunnel is all, this is like a full restoration on this. It's still got the single pot brakes, the death brakes there, but everything is, this car's going back to pretty darn original, except for the traction bars and the wheelie bars. And it does look like you got a little chip right here. So you got a little chip in it already. Can't be letting that happen. The mirrors go up on top. That's beautiful. I think he did have a chip over here too. When they put the trunk deck lid on, they hooked it right there. That's too bad because that's an amazing paint job. I wish I could paint like that. I'm sure a lot of people do. I didn't shut this door all the way. Maybe it doesn't shut all the way. Untamed. What has it got for tires on it? It's got BF Goodrich's 225 60 15s, I believe, on the back. So what do you guys value this car at? It's a 65 factory 4-speed car. The last video, this guy's also a guy that has a Torino, but they took that Torino to get worked on too. It was a factory 4-speed Torino they owned also. This body line just looks really nice. Really good car. The louvers are really cool on this car. Paint job is excellent. How would you rate this car? If you're going to rate this car, what would be ranked? What kind of money is this car worth? I'd hate to say how much money he has in it and time, but I do believe they've owned this car for quite a few years. I think it might have been his uncle's, and he passed on, and they handed it down, and then he ended up with it, and then he took it, and he's had a lot of time in this car. He is going to build a shed over here to garage to get it in here. He's had it in storage for a long time, and now it's out here. But yeah, take a look. Click subscribe, like if you like cars like this. We're gonna actually get a ride in this car when it's done. Probably he's getting close. The motor is done. He's working on the interior, so I think once the interior is all completely done and everything's done, he's gonna end up taking it back up to western South Dakota and have the motor put in it. It was professionally built. Yeah, I bet this is a fun car. I don't think they get any better than this. This is probably one of the better vehicles we've ever had on our video, because we're usually dealing with junk. But I wish I owned it, but there's only so much money to go around. This is a very nice car. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe. If you like this car, keep on the channel, because we're going to get an update. We're going to get a ride in this car, and we're going to see just what it's made of when it's done. The hood pins, very nifty on there. All the emblems are very nice. Maybe we can crawl under here a little bit and look down here. You can see underneath there. Look at that. That is just too good. Look at that. Everything is nice and clean, and yeah. So give me some thumbs up, likes. Thanks. One last video of it.